I suppose you're wondering what I'm up to, what I'm doing, but I'm making a little finial for a box. But in order to do that, I had to make it so that I could get it in a chuck. I'm organized today, guys. I'm organized. You know how it is when you're organized. Can't find nothing. Actually, I'm probably very not organized today. Too many projects going on at once, I think. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use these inside jaws just to grab onto the end of this. Just like this. I'll bring this up. Get it centered. I don't know if that's the right side I should use or not, but that's the side we're going to use. We're just going to reef this down real good. Turn. This is just junk wood, but junk wood's the best wood to learn from, right? We'll bring that up tight. Check it, make sure it's straight. All right, let's turn some wood. We're just going to turn a finial. So I just got this straightened up, and yeah, let's see what we can make out of it. All right. Now I'm not guaranteeing how good this wood is, and I've had it for a long time, and let's just see what we can do here. All right, let's look there. I don't know, I just put some pencil marks there. I don't know if they mean anything, but let's just do this, okay? We'll come back to that, okay? We'll come back to that, and I'll explain why I did that. Alright? So let's see what we got here. Alright, we got our captive bead, captive ring. We're going to clean that tip up a little bit. Pull that out of the way. We'll clean that up. And we'll knock it down so that I can drill a hole and put it in the top of the box. Alright, let's get to it. Alright. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, so now we got that. Let's get the yeah, it looks good. Alright, let's get the you know what? I probably ought to put some stuff on this first, huh? Alright, let's get it all sanded up first. There you go. I cut a bunch of the sanding out because, well, you know, who wants to sit and watch me sand? But yeah, it turned out all right. Let's get some juice on it, and we got her sanded right up to 15 or 500 grit, and it's interesting, very interesting. Yeah, very cute. All right, let's get some OB Shine juice on it. Yeah, some OB Shine juice. I got to. Let's just get some juice on it. Here we go. We'll do this. Just rub it in there. So it looks pretty good. I think it looks pretty good. What do you think? Do you think it looks pretty good? Here, let's see if I can't zoom in on you. That's as close as it gets. Pretty cool, huh? All right, it's not. Oh, it's not overly done, I don't think. I just wipe sawdust on it. That'll be nice. Get that off there. It's not overly done. I think it's pretty cute. And it's for a small box, so I didn't want to go huge with it. I think it'll be alright. Let's get it parted off. And we're going to part it off right there. And I got to make a little, just a little nub for it to be able to be set into the top of the box. Alright, so we'll do that. I don't know why you're seeing that, but I still got a little bit of a nub right there that needs to come off, and we'll take that off with some sandpaper, and we'll sand it up and we'll get it flat, and then that'll sit right on top of the box just like that. Yeah, ain't that cute? Yeah, yeah, and it's itty bitty. I mean, here, let me back you up a little bit. How small that is. That is tiny. But it'll be a great little way to pick the top of the box up. And it'll look nice too. And I think that captive bead I think that captive bead adds a nice little touch. In the video, you guys see me cut off a little piece. Alright, the little end piece, and I told you I'd bring that back later. And that there was a reason for that, okay? My buddy here on YouTube, Captain Eddie Castelin, right here on YouTube. Alright, now Captain Eddie's a great guy. He's an older gentleman. He's recovering from a stroke, has been for a while, and man, I tell you what, if you're a wood turner, you gotta know Captain Eddie, okay? He's a great guy. Does some great work over on this channel. Alright, so I'm going to put a link to his channel in the description box below. You can go check him out, alright? I'm going to, of course, show you a link right up here. right up there. You'll see it, the little dot. Alright, have a little exclamation point in it or something like that, I think. Anyway, it'll be up there. Alright, you can go over and you can check out Captain Eddie. You can also check out a couple of my other friends. You can check out Doug over from the Pohl barn. He's a great guy too. Does some spectacular resin work, alright, for turning. He turns resin and wood, wood and resin. He does a lot of resin turning. Alright, really cool videos over there on Doug's channel. Gonna want to check that out. You can also check out my good friend The Beard times 16. Alright, he'll be up there too. And the cards up here in the corner. Alright, so another great turner I like to watch here on YouTube is PF Woodworking. Alright, now she's a young lady. And she turns wood, and I think that's awesome that the girls are getting involved. Alright? Hey, they're talented too, right? Alright, so definitely go check her out. Her link will be down below. All the links to these channels will be in the description box below. But check this out. Now, Captain Eddie's got a contest going on. And the reason I bring it up is because, Captain Eddie's great, and he's doing a giveaway. Alright, so that's the channels I'm talking about today. Cards, description, end cards. Alright, check them out. There's links all through this video to these people. And tell these people Dark Matter sent you. Alright, because that way they'll know where you came from. Alright? Alright, check this out. Now, like I said, Captain Eddie has a giveaway going on. Alright, and you can get in on it. And you can do up to 5 of these tops, alright? Now, they don't have to be this small. This is a tiny one. This is really tiny. I mean, look at how tiny that top is. Here, let me give you let's see if I got a coin I can use here to... Yeah, there's one. Alright. Here's a dime. Alright, look, that's a dime. That's the top. Alright. So it ain't very big at all. Alright, let's see here. Matter of fact, it's probably about the size of a dime. Ain't that cool? Alright. So you can make up to 5 tops. They can be any size you want to make them. You can make them as big as your yard if you want. But I chose to go small. And I like doing miniature stuff. So get on over there. Check out Eddie. Check out my buddy Doug at the Pohl barn. Check out PF Woodworking. Check out The Beard by 16. He's a great guy too. I like him. He's over across the pond. He's a great guy though. Does some great work over on his channel. Go check him out. Alright, so I guess I've rambled enough. I appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm your buddy. I'm your friend. I'm Dark Matter. And I'm out. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to share this video to all your media sources. I'm your buddy, I'm your friend, I'm Dark Matter, and I'm out. You don't know the power
of the dark side.